Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Persona Color Theory eye kit, and this one is in copper. And I'm just going to show you real quick what it comes with and then do a quick look using all these products. So inside, get a little Persona eye brush, and I'm going to try to do a majority of my eye with this. Then you also get a dark brown eyeliner. And then lastly, you get the Persona copper palette. And this is what it looks like. These are really pretty shades. And this is meant for brown eyes or hazel eyes. I'm going to do a look with these shadows only and try to stick to what the kit comes with. I did my eyebrows off camera, so I'm going to just begin doing my foundation. So today I'm going to be using my Mercier foundation, and this one is in Latte. You can see I'm running out of this stuff. So I'm going to just take that on my brush and blend it all on my face. Actually, one of my favorite foundations. I kind of forgot how good it was because I haven't used it in so long. But it's just such a solid foundation to have. I'm just going to blend the rest out with my beauty blender. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Naked Skin Urban Decay Concealer in Light Neutral. And I'm also going to use that extra concealer on my beauty blender to like prime my eyelids and make it all even. Alright, now I'm going to take my RCMA powder that I just threw in this little Mercier container and set wherever I put concealer. Now I'm going to be using my Hulu bronzer and use this here. And then down the sides of my nose. And this really gives you a nice defined nose, because after you apply concealer you kind of like wash out the natural like shape of your nose. Okay, now I just cut the sides of my contour, and I'm just gonna let it sit there while I apply my blush. Since my eyes are gonna be copper, I'm gonna keep it really simple and use a skin colored blush. This is by the brand Mellow, and it's called Bronze. To the apples of your cheeks. So this didn't come with the set, but it's by Persona Cosmetics, and it is the Cali Glow highlighter in Zuma. And it's just a nice gold, very subtle highlighter. Wow, this is actually my first time using it, and it's so good. Like I only went in it once, and all of this product came out. I'm gonna just take any brush. I'm gonna use my contour brush or my bronzer brush and just wipe off what I was baking with. And now we're gonna start with the eyes. Okay, to start, I already kind of set my eyelids with some concealer and setting powder. So I'm gonna take light brown, this color right here, and apply that all over my crease. And the brush that it comes with, it's kind of like pointed at the tip. Really good for blending in your crease. And I just like to apply a little bit at a time and build it up until I like how it looks. Next, I'm going to go into Brick, and I'm going to just take the same brush that I was using And now I'm gonna apply this here and here. So I'm gonna start with a little bit at a time because it's a pretty intense red. So I'm gonna keep it on the outer corner and on the inner corner right here. You can just build this up to however kind of intensity that you want, how colorful you want to go, and all of that. And I'm just leaving the center blank because that's where we're gonna apply copper. Okay, now we're going to be taking this color, dark brown, and I love how simple her names are. They're pretty straight, to the point, and really easy for anyone to use. I'm gonna pick that up on the tip, and I want to do the same thing that I did with Brick, but I just want to make it a little darker and a little bit more intense. And being very careful because this is a dark color, so putting only a little bit of product first and then blending it out. Now taking a clean Morphe M441, I'm gonna just start blending it into my crease a little bit. This has like a nice point on it, so you can really get in here. So I think this is the intensity that I want to keep it at. So now I'm gonna just apply copper into the middle where I left it a little blank. With the Persona Cosmetics brush, and I'm gonna dip right into copper. I'm just gonna apply that right here. And this is just a really nice deep color. It's like a dark copper. Now I'm going to take my Morphe E36. It's just a small pencil brush, and this is what we're going to use to do our under eyeshadow. So I'm going to take light brown again, and this is going to connect our lower lash line and tie it into our makeup look that we did. So just blending all this out. Now I'm going to go into Brick, and this is what's going to add the most color because it's almost a red. It's like a terracotta red. The same brush, I'm going to go back into dark brown and use this on the outer part of my eye. Okay, and then I'm going to take copper and do that right in the center so it kind of lines up with your the top of your eyeshadow, your top lid. And I'm going to just go into the highlighter, any highlighter that you apply to your face. I'm going to take this nice gold one, same one I used, and apply that here on the inner corners. And this is such a pretty inner corner highlight, and a little right here, just to bring it out. Lastly, I'm going to go into Off-White. Pick it up with any brush, and we're going to apply this right below my brow bone. Now the last thing that this kit comes with is the eyeliner. You can do two things with this. You can either like smoke out the top of your lash line, or I'll apply it on your waterline. I'm gonna apply it on my waterline because I just never really wear eyeliner there, but I'm gonna just apply this on my waterline and then add some nice lashes and put mascara. So this is just a really nice dark brown. It's really creamy and goes on very easily. There we go. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Curling my lashes. And now I'm gonna apply some lashes. Apply the lashes. It's still kind of drying, so I'm gonna just do my bottom lashes with mascara. I'm not exactly sure. I think these are the Ardell Wispy lashes. And then the mascara I'm using right now is the Maybelline Define a Lash mascara. I'm just applying a nude lip liner. I'm just kind of filling in my whole lip with it. Just like that. So this is the final look. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to stay updated, just turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.